I had been to a concert with my friends, and my friends were a huge group. There were 18 in number. And when we were trying to enter the concert, they told that you have to buy tickets for it. It was something new. We always used to go to the movies after getting the ticket booked in bookmyticket.com or somewhere. This was something different, and the concert ticket was around 215 rupees, and we were 18 in number. When suddenly this number came up, we all started taking our purses out and we asked how much we have to pay. And one friend immediately told we have to pay 3,870 rupees for 18 people. I was pretty astonished how he could tell that calculation exactly, and someone tried it in the calculator and told it is exactly right. And we asked him, what made you to tell that answer? How did you get to that answer fast? But he could not tell. And this made me to think, if he can do it, I should also be able to do it. And I started researching on this. And in my research, I came across someone called as mathematician, a person who can even take a 4-digit number, two 4-digit numbers, and multiply it without paper. Now, I was not aiming to be a mathematician. I want to be someone who is good at maths, who is working and playing with numbers. Now, this mathematician whom I had come across was called as Arthur Benjamin. He is a mathematics professor in Harvey Mudd University. He had taken some classes, and I got an opportunity to attend his class. And that's where I came across this mental maths. Let's take a simple problem. Let's take a problem which is as simple as 25 cross 11. Now, immediately everybody will reach out to a paper and get the answer jotted down by multiplying it. But if I say the answer is 275, will you be astonished? I'm pretty sure right now if you had used a paper or calculator, that would have been the answer. And he explained to me that when you are multiplying any number with 11, there is a separate procedure or trick. This was found by Indians, and it was called as Vedic maths. For more details and a very elaborate demo, do let me know. I will come and give the elaborate demo to you. Thanks a lot.